Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about tuples. Tuples are sequences which can store data types such as lists, string dictionaries. Creating a tuple. Indexing of a tuple is done to access specific elements from the tuple. Slicing of a tuple is done to get some of the elements of the tuple. Unpacking of the tuple is done when we want to assign a variable with tuple elements. Unpacking can only be done if number of tuple elements is equal to number of variables, or else it will throw an error. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.